Hello my beautiful friends, how are we? I hope you're having the best day ever. So it was Mothering Sunday just gone. I hope you had a lovely Mother's Day. Can I just say, for those people that do have children but they don't wish you a happy Mother's Day or send you a card or a text or a phone call, I would just like to say a happy belated Mother's Day to you. I do hope you got to have a bar of chocolate or you bought yourself some flowers. Just had Mothering Sunday and the jewellery I'm about to make would have been ideal, but I left it too late in ordering them, and although I bought them in for myself, they are just so beautiful, I have to share them with you. Look at those. Look at those. Isn't that pretty, the pink? They've got butterflies, flowers and rhinestones. I think they're amazing. So I'm going to make 2 necklaces and 2 pairs of earrings. I'm not going to use earring wires today. I'm going to use these. They're roses. They're studs with a loop on the bottom, gold floral. So that is what I'm going to be using today. I'm hoping I can film 3 videos today. Yes, 3 videos. I've got a fun resin tutorial, and I'm also going to be making a video about making tax digital, MTD. So people have been asking me all about it, and it's just easy for me to make a video and say, go and watch it. I'm trying to explain in non-accountant terms what making tax digital is all about if you've run your own business, if you are self-employed. So let's make this lovely jewellery first of all. So again, here we have the lovely charms stroke pendants. See how they really catch the light, especially if you go outside. I did take some photos outside. So they've got a butterfly, they've got a resin butterfly here. I'm saying resin, it could be crystal. I think it's resin. There's 2 rhinestones, and then you've got your enamel leaves and flowers. So this one is blue, green and iridescent butterfly. This one is pink and green with a pink iridescent butterfly. Both have rhinestones. These are the earrings. And we've got the necklace, 18-inch necklace chains. These are gold plated on stainless steel, so they will last longer than your standard gold plated chain, and obviously much cheaper than your solid 9-carat gold chain. I use these all the time. So we've got 2 of those, and I've got some 6mm. Now I've got some 6mm jump rings. These are 1mm, so they are strong. I don't have any 5mm strong ones actually left in stock at the moment, so I must get some more of those. We'll just do the necklaces, very easy to do. Let's find the split in the jump ring. Just open those. We attach the flower charm along with the chain, making sure it slides. Close, making sure there is no gaps. We'll just do that chain up. See, so beautiful. So we'll do another one. We attach the charm to the jump ring. We then slide the chain, make sure it slides, close, So there is that one. And for the earrings, again, very simple. We just need the one jump ring. Okay. It's a beautiful day in Bristol. The sun is shining, birds are singing. I celebrated Mother's Day with my daughter yesterday because she was working on the Monday. If you're new here, she's a first year doctor and she was on a very long shift for urology on Sunday. She was going to come after, but I knew she would be tired and I said, just come over on the Monday, we'll go for a meal. Oh, it's less busy. So on the Sunday, I went to see my mum. I made a roast turkey dinner and I actually took it down there because I wanted to go to the beach afterwards with the dog. She bought a lovely red velvet cake and we had that afterwards. So we attach the charm to the jump ring. The charm is facing towards me. So it has to be, we have to put it on this way. Facing me. The earring has to go on facing me. And then we close. Something a bit different. Normally I use the earring wires, or you could use, I've got huggy hoops. So it's got the loops on, you could also use those. But I thought I would do those today. I thought it would be a bit more fancy. Pink. So attach the charm. Again, the earring loop. Close. And we'll do the same again with the blue ones. That just gives you an idea of something that you can make. So I do hope you like this video. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. And again, if you can leave a comment, it really, really helps my little channel grow. So thank you so much for watching. Take care everyone. And as always, happy crafting.